In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on WPS Office Mobile. To update your profile picture on WPS Office using your mobile device, start by tapping your profile icon at the top right corner of the app. Once you do that, tap your profile icon again to access your profile settings. Here, you will see your current profile photo, and you will have the option to change it. You can either select a picture from your gallery or take a new photo using your device's camera. In this example, we will take a new photo. Tap the option to take a photo, then use your camera to capture the image you want to use as your profile picture. Once you have taken the photo, tap OK to confirm your selection. You will then be prompted to adjust the image. Use the adjustment tools to position and resize your photo so that it fits perfectly within the frame and displays exactly as you want it. After making the adjustments, tap Crop to finalize your profile picture. Changing your profile picture on WPS Office Mobile is a simple way to personalize your account and make it easier for others to recognize you. It's quick, convenient, and you can update it at any time, following the same steps. Make sure your photo is clear and properly centered for the best appearance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.